Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm making scones, fit for a Cornish cream tea. They're so simple to make and only take 10 minutes to bake. We're going to start with some whole milk, and I'm going to squeeze in half of a lemon. I'll leave it aside. This gives the scones a great flavour. Now for the dry ingredients. I'm using self-raising flour today with a pinch of salt, and I'm also using a little baking powder so I get a nice rise on these scones. In goes the butter. It's quite soft, and I'm going to rub it into the flour until this mixture looks like breadcrumbs. I'm lifting my fingers up to get as much air into this as possible, and then I'll give the bowl a little bit of a shake so all the larger pieces of butter come to the surface. Then I can squidge them into the flour. That should do. You can see how the milk has separated a little with that lemon juice. So in goes the sugar, and then the milk, a little bit of vanilla extract, and I'm mixing it very lightly with a fork. For the best scones we have to be quite gentle with the mixture. So as soon as it's incorporated, I'm going to use my fingers ever so lightly to bring it together. Give it a little fold. That should do it. Now I'm not even going to roll out this scone mixture. I'm just going to tap it gently and have it quite thick. It needs to be about 4 centimetres thick. And the cutter should be floured. That way it keeps the edges nice and straight and you get a good rise on those scones. Let's scrunch it together quite gently and try again. You should get about 9 or 10 scones out of this mixture. Not quite enough for one more scone. Let's just push that together and it can bake like that. I've got a hot baking tray in the oven already, so I'll transfer these onto that when I get there. That helps to make that good rise as well. But first, to get that lovely golden top, we'll use a little bit of egg wash brushed on the top of each. Now the first time I had these was in Cornwall, so it's jam first for me on these little beauties, with Cornish clotted cream on top. Ooh, only the best. Thanks for joining me today. Take care and I'll catch you soon.